So what do you get when you combine a robot with a dinosaur? You get the Robotasaur. Hey guys, what's up? It's Michael, Senior Product Manager for Robotics. And today, we're checking out the interactive radio control Robotasaur from Sharper Image. You know, this toy is super cool. It has real emotions so that kids can feel really connected to it. And you can tell what he's feeling by the color of his LED eyes. You know, it comes with a 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote to ensure that Robotasaur will follow your every command. You know, we've designed this remote to be intuitive, so you can instantly learn how to go forward, reverse, sit, spin, stomp, or even attack. Or press and hold a button and Robotasaur will follow you around the room. You know, children of all ages will just love learning how to train their robot. In hunt mode, Robotasaur will roam around the room searching for prey, or wave your hand in front of Robotasaur twice and he'll guard your room, roaring if he senses an intruder. So if your child has always wanted a pet robot dinosaur, and who hasn't, then get him the latest and greatest with this interactive Robotasaur. Welcome to the future. And if your child wants robot fun on the go, we have Robotasaur Mini.
Intelligent Speech War Dragon. Exquisite workmanship, superb material, cool lights, and vivid voice effects. Open able mouth together with shakeable head and tail makes the War Dragon more like a real one. The cool mechanical emplacement adds stronger fighting capacity to the dragon and gives it enough power to bring children happy childhood. Function display. Shake the head. Shake the tail. Touch to interact. Shooting. Music 1. Music 2. Start war mode. Mechanical language. Program.